Welcome back, Yanvi. Welcome back.
Thank you, sir.
So,
Sir.
yes.
Yes, sir. I posted my answer.
Posted your?
Sir, in Google Classroom of the
Very good.
question you
Very
asked.
good. Very good. We'll discuss on that.
Okay, sir.
So, now, for you, what is the most important activity for which we use mathematics?
Sir, I think on the top of the list comes this. Just a minute.
Hmm.
Yeah, on the top of the list comes building, because this is where we live in, and without maths, like when we are making blueprints, we need maths to know if the building will stay stable, will it
Now, what is the
collapse.
activity? What is the activity? You should name the activity.
Architecture,
Oh,
architectural
Activity, any activity for which we require maximum mathematics. We use mathematics at a maximum level.
um,
Okay, you think
let me think.
leisurely, not now, with no pressure. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So no pressure. We learn. We learn as if we are learning how to play. Okay, mathematics we should enjoy. Mathematics is not a very means difficult subject, and very it is not that it is a head heavy subject. Means it should not make your head heavy.
Yeah,
Isn't
sir.
it? If you solve a mathematical problem at the same time, if you can keep your means if you don't feel stressed, then only you are enjoying mathematics. If you get
yeah.
stressed,
Yeah, sir.
you will not, then that mathematics you are not enjoying. So you should enjoy the mathematics as if when we play, and we enjoy the play. Similarly, when you do mathematics, you also should enjoy the mathematics.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
Yes.
and we'll learn how to do that. Today itself, I will do tell something about it. Meanwhile, you also think about the activities where we use
Yes.
maximum mathematics. Okay, so with
Yeah.
that, I am going back to my screen, and
Sir,
yes,
before the meeting ended, I was going to show you my problem, sir.
I will make you first host so that you can share your screen.
Yes, sir. Okay. Can you see my screen, sir?
Yes, we can see it.
Okay, yeah. So here you can see, sir.
You show the
This
formulas.
is the my original slider value. This is my
Okay, it's
value
okay.
that's in the I'm inputting. So here you can see, sir, all
It,
the boxes are square,
hmm,
but
it's
still.
getting distorted. Okay, okay. You show me formula. Formula. You go to formula bar, menu bar, formula. Yes, and then show formulas. No,
This
not
is,
there. Show formulas.
sir, but
Ah,
this is my formula.
no, no, not
This.
there. Show formula icon at the top. Yes, right side.
Okay, just
Oh,
a minute.
right. Here, I'm putting my cursor. I don't know whether you can see or not. Here
No,
is
sir,
the.
I can't. Just a minute, sir.
Hmm.
Look.
You come right. Not there. You escape from that cell.
Escape.
Now for show formulas. This is the show formulas.
Sir, I'm not able to see your. Just a minute, sir.
Then
formula
formula auditing. You come to formula
formula
auditing.
Sir, everyone's.
Good.
No, I'm not able to hear anything, sir.
Okay. Let me check. Now I am audible, I think. Janvi, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Yes, audible.
Mandar-
Yes, you are audible.
Mandar.
Mother, go to see that formula auditing, and then the second option after trace precedents, there is show formulas.
Yes. Correct.
Yeah, this.
Yeah, click on.
Are
Click
you
on
able
that.
to hear me?
Yes.
Yeah,
Okay, yeah. Okay, yeah. This
let's
is the
show formula.
formula.
No, you are going to that cell. You come out of the cell. You deselect the
Yeah,
cell.
I did that, sir.
Now press show
Yes,
formula.
yes. Now click on that. Now you see there is a minus sign in B4. B4 minus sign E1. Formula is minus sign E1 is equal to, then minus, put a minus, yes, then it will not disturb. Enter.
Okay.
Now you do that. Now it is okay, I think.
Oh, yeah. Got it, sir.
So you make me host now.
Yes, sir. Okay. Stop share.
Yeah, thank you.
30 seconds. Yeah, just a minute, sir.
Yes.
Make host.
We should make mathematics learning easy, enjoyable, and we should learn lot of mathematics in shortest time so that
Yes,
we can
sir.
apply it to maximum. So
Yes.
I'm going to my screen sharing, and there, yes. Now we know that animation, how we can do animation, and it is very simple trick, is not it? It is not
Yes,
that
sir.
complex.
Yeah.
So
Yes.
can you tell me how many transformation we have learned till date?
Sir, we have run, I think scaling, then then shearing and rotation.
Okay,
Reflection
reflection.
also. Reflection.
Reflection.
Yeah, four type of transformation we have learned. Any of you have learned heard about abstract algebra?
No.
Abstract algebra, for example, like what comes under.
Abstract algebra. Can you search your laptop abstract
Yes,
algebra?
yes. Let me.
Just a minute, sir.
Is a broad field of mathematics concerned with algebraic.
Yes. So, Mandar, can you see anything?
Just a minute. I'll open. Yeah, sir. I also opened abstract algebra on the 12-hour clock. 9 plus 4. 19
No,
plus 4 equals to 1.
that is an example. That is an example.
I know that.
19. That is
So,
some.
Let me open one also.
yes, sir. Sir, but we can't see your Google screen.
No, you need not see.
No
Just
problem.
in my abstract algebra search, it has come is a broad field of mathematics concerned with algebraic structure. Is not it?
Yeah.
So matrix
like,
is one type of structure.
Matrix is also structured like that,
Yes.
sir.
Yes.
Okay.
So mathematics is structure, but what is it deals with?
What?
What
Sir?
actually it deals with? What is its actually? You see that there is something called what is difference between linear algebra, abstract algebra. You have already know the algebra, and then you know the linear algebra, and then you know the now I am telling it abstract algebra. So
Yeah.
you will be
Yeah.
knowing something very soon, and then abstract algebra. If you see the Wikipedia,
Yeah.
what is they are telling? They are telling about some group, ring, fields, and is there anything image?
Yeah, there is a cube.
Yeah.
Permutations of Rubik's cube form a group. A fundamental concept.
Okay, then one thing.
Permutation combination is abstract algebra.
No, it is used there.
Acha, okay.
It is used there. Image of abstract algebra. Search image of abstract algebra.
Okay, just a second. Yeah.
So many pictures come.
Yeah, there are a lot of pictures.
Just a minute.
So, what
And
kind of picture do we need to find?
Here actually not much image. There should be hundreds of images.
Yeah.
yeah, just like a bunch of calculation.
Here have
And
you seen this
screenshots from
Sudoku?
resources.
This what is this? This cube. What is that cube? Rubik cube.
Yeah, Rubik cube.
It is there in image.
Yeah.
No, here no Rubik's cubes.
Wikipedia images may
You,
have.
Yeah, in
you
Wikipedia
write
images.
images of abstract algebra. Images of.
Yeah, found a Rubik's cube. Hello? Yes, sir.
Here is a contemporary book on abstract algebra, and there is like image on that. Are you getting this?
Yeah, yeah.
Yes, sir. Book. Yeah, I got it.
So it is very difficult to understand what the images or abstract algebra doing, is not it?
Yeah.
But simple way, if I tell that what they are doing, they are searching for symmetry. They are searching for symmetry. It is mathematics of symmetry.
Okay.
Oh.
And
Oh.
can you define what is symmetry?
Sir, it's when after one action or it's basically when you draw a line from one point to another on an object and you flip it, the object will stay the same.
What happened?
How you know this, Adil ji?
Sir?
आदिल सर आप इधर है? Your voice mic is muted. You can unmute it. Adil ji, if you are there, anyhow. So Mandar, let us know actually. I am very curious. How you know this definition?
Sir,
I learn from you first.
When we used to have art period, our ma'am used to tell us in maths that we had a subject. And today I was like watching determinants and I found this video about group theory and there he was like telling about symmetry and all that. So I couldn't watch the whole video, but I saw the symmetry and all part.
So, sir, symmetry can also be said as when two similar objects, or two similar sides of an object, which overlap each other when when the axis is snapped or something. When they overlap each other, if the mirror image is created of one side of the axis, and then a symmetry is.
अच्छा
Very good, very good. I am very
क्या
happy.
हुआ समझ में?
हाँ जी, आदिल जी आप कुछ
सिमेट्री का
बताएंगे?
डेफिनेशन?
Yes.
नहीं मैं कंफ्यूजन है सिमेट्री का डेफिनेशन. हम मुझे पता है when you draw one axis.
Yeah, axis जो होता है कि उससे सिमेट्री.
मेरा डेफिनेशन तो एग्जैक्ट नहीं है. when you draw axis there is it can divide it into two parts, similar parts. एक डेफिनेशन है, it is correct है कि नहीं मैं एंटोनी?
And
We can give.
You can realize the potential of Mandar. He has correct the classic definition of symmetry. Classic
तो क्या
definition. I am very happy.
मंदर क्या
Sir.
बोला था सर, बोलिए सर.
You got 100 out of 100. I want to give you 200.
सर
Okay,
मंदर का
sir.
डेफिनेशन क्या है, once more.
Sir, मैं क्या बोला कि what I said was, if you take a shape for example and you draw a line and you flip the shape, then then if the shape is symmetrical, and you flip the shape will appear the same.
Yes,
Very
yes,
good.
yes, yes.
Very good.
Yes, yes.
100%.
Yes, yes.
100 out.
Sir,
Okay.
but
Yes.
there is also rotational symmetry, na, where we don't flip the shape, we like
My
rotate
God.
it by some angle.
Janvi,
Rotational
have
symmetry
you
is higher.
thought of all these things ever?
Yes, yes.
Janvi,
So what?
have you thought ever all these points? What Mandar is
No.
telling? So this is actually deep learning. What happened yesterday when he closed the class, then he watched the many videos related to matrix multiplication, and from there he picked up all this definition. This is very crucial definition for symmetry, and this is the latest mathematics. We are trying to group everything uh, uh, in one subject. We are trying to make a mathematics such that you make a group and all the problems you put it in that group, and you can get the solution from that group. So this is so difficult definitions, and he has already knowing it, and I am very happy that it is not me. I am learning him, teaching him. He is learning from his own, and that is most desirable. And uh, why I raised this question, Mandar?
No, sir.
That I am explaining now. Why I raised this question. You asked me that, sir, what we will do with this matrix multiplication, is not it?
Yes, sir.
Now you see what you mean by flip. You told some object you flip. What is flip?
Sir, what is the last word you said?
You told me now symmetry definition. You told that it is a line and you can flip, then it will be similar. Something you told like that.
Yeah.
So what you meant by flip?
I think, for example, shape is like this. You flip it over so you can see the back
So
side.
what is that flip?
Reflection.
Yes, this is the reflection. So actually you see, you have learned the theory, now you have learned the practical. So now your learning will be meaningful. Now you know that earlier you learned flip, but you are not knowing that it is reflection. Now you know that reflection and flip, though both are same, and now you can define your definition of symmetry will be more accurate.
Yeah.
Now you see this flower. Can you see this flower?
Yeah.
Mandar, can you see this flower?
Yes, sir. Yes.
What is this? How many petals are there?
5.
And can you say is there any symmetry?
Yeah, sir. Sir, there are 5 lines of symmetry.
मंदर क्या मालूम है?
Yeah, it is called pentagonal symmetry.
Yeah.
Pentagonal symmetry. Now the definition what Mandar has told, I am again defining same. I am elaborating same. His definition is perfect definition. Now the symmetry is that, suppose this is a flower. Now I have taken it out and I have rotate it, and then again I am showing you. Can you feel any change in that?
No.
No, sir. I think when you divide 360 by 5 and you rotate the flower by that angle, then it will appear to be the same.
Yes. So this will be as if it is a static object. but in between it has rotated 5 times or at an angle, some angle, and
Yes,
that is not reflecting in its shape. So these type of things are called symmetry. When there is a transformation, but still it will appear same. And what are the transformations? That
yes, sir.
transformation you are learning.
Okay.
These things you are learning, no?
Yes,
Now
sir.
you can tell I am rotating it at some certain angle and it remains as if same. So it is
Yeah.
symmetry.
Sir, so what is the exact term for that? I don't exactly remember. Like it has symmetry of degree 5, I think. It's called
Yes,
degree,
it's
Rotational symmetry.
yeah,
pentagonal
of degree,
symmetry.
I think. Degree term, I don't remember that.
So many degree is there, symmetry degree, and we'll discuss when we'll learn abstract algebra. Now you already
Okay.
know abstract algebra. This much knowledge is also not there. Who is pursuing MTech also in mathematics? No, many of the students cannot define the symmetry the way you have defined.
Oh,
I am not exaggerating. It is fact. They learn
Yes, yes, yes.
mechanically.
Hmm.
Sir is
oh,
telling that he also is a
Hmm.
little bit confused about defining symmetry. So
Yes,
it
yes.
is not that easy. Okay. So these
yes.
are the things where we will everything is having its own place. But basic thing is this dynamism, this transformation. It
Yes,
is
sir.
transforming, but it is appearing same shape, same size. So it is symmetry.
Yes, sir.
So this is the reason we are learning the transformation first. This was your question
Okay.
in the evening. I think I
Yes, sir.
have answered. Yes, no? You
Yes.
asked me that question, no? Why we are learning?
Yeah. Sir, another thing I am had
Hmm.
a question.
Yes.
Sir, I'm not understanding, like, for example, we put 2 on the upper left corner and the lower right corner.
Hmm.
So why does that make the shape bigger? Why don't we put it on the lower right and upper left corner? On the lower left and upper right corner. Why does this happen? That question.
Uh, uh, that question, you see that when we multiply, what we are multiplying, that elements wise, if you see, it will see that x is getting multiplied by first element and y is getting multiplied by the last element. So both are increasing. X direction it is increasing and y direction it is increasing.
Okay,
So
sir. So why are we not like multiplying y with the first element?
repeat again.
So like you said that we are multiplying y with the second with the last element.
Hmm.
So why are we not multiplying y with the first element?
Oh, definition, definition of
Simultaneously you
multiplication.
cannot do, no, simultaneously we cannot do. And all these things happened means while human thought of doing lot of things, no, and its origin when we'll go for this deeper thoughts of where from this matrix started, where from the determinant has come, then all these points will go discuss. But now if I
Okay, sir.
go deeper on that side, then we will miss what I am other transformation. Now I am
Yeah.
trying to tell about translation, what we have not covered yet.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
So let us go back to my screen.
Yes, sir.
So this is, can you see my screen now?
Yes, sir. I can.
Okay, very good. So there was a triangle and I am taking this triangle again. I am making a copy of out of it. So here I will be doing translation. Okay. So we want this object to be translated. This triangle will translate left side, right side, up, down, any position we want to translate. So how
Yeah.
we can do that? Already we have seen that our 1, 0, 0 and 1. This is the identity matrix. When we multiply, it will not change and nothing will happen.
Yeah.
So this we have learned. This is called identity matrix, and we plotted this also. So this is my original triangle and overlap triangle, because that identity matrix. This is nothing has changed. So it is both the triangles are same. Now I
Just a
want
second,
to
please.
translate. So in this translation, anything you want to convey?
No, sir.
Nancy?
No, sir. Nothing. Nothing.
Okay. So here you can see that every element we have used for 4 type of operations. What are those operations? We have done that scaling, and then shearing, then reflection, and then rotation. All these 4 elements we have used. So now translation, for that I don't have any scope for doing anything in that. So I am playing a trick. What is the trick that I will not explain now? I just inform you. I am playing a trick of homogeneous coordinate system. I am writing it here. Homogeneous.
Sir, so what does homogeneous coordinates mean?
I will explain.
Okay, sir.
Now I am introducing one by one very specific things to teach you properly the dynamic world, how to capture dynamic world, and for that whatever is required I am teaching you selectively. Okay, I am not going to A, B, C, D like that. I have it in my mind. I have a thing in mind that you should learn the modeling, and for modeling you should
Yes, sir.
capture the dynamism. You should, two things is required. One thing, you should able to construct an object, and then another thing you require to do is that give dynamism of those objects, the movement.
Yes, sir.
Suppose you want to two cars. You have made two cars, and they are going, and you want to see that how it is collide, and how accident happens, or what to be done. You are doing mathematics.
Simulation.
Yeah, simulation. Yeah. So all those things you can do that. Okay. So now I am introducing this. Earlier, this elements 2 was used by to represent a coordinate point, that is called Cartesian coordinate system, and it was developed by Rene Descartes in around